Hey everybody, it's me, Ivy. Don't mind my crazy hair and my wonderful grace I'm liking. Anyways, windows open, etc. etc. Anyways, I'm gonna do my Birchbox. So let's get started. So here it says this, and it tells a little bit of story of Birchbox that they started 10 years ago. So that's cool. And this is really nice quote. I really like that. And this is what I got in my box. So let's get started. Alright. I show stuff what I got from my Birchbox for my mom, so she, wants to see and stuff. So I got this again. And this time I'm gonna use it. It's just right here. Excuse me. Full size is $34. So I think this is my third or so. I haven't used it, but I'm gonna use it. Anyway. Oh, and if you hear construction, don't mind that because they're still getting stuff ready and digging up the ditch to make it bigger because they're still building. We're still doing the hotel. Like, we need a hotel in our neighborhood, in a small neighborhood, so it's very hectic during the summer. Anyways, okay, let's start with this hair mask. I tried this a long time ago when I got my first Birchbox, but this is a different packaging. There's a lot more than it was before, so that's great. I really was impressed. I got it because I really need it. The full size of this is $28. It's just this. I love this brand. I get a lot of their samples, and I really like the hair mask. Alright. Okay, so I was looking at my on the Birchbox app to see, because sometimes they reveal, like, you want to reveal your Birchbox or you want to see where your Birchbox is and stuff. So I'm like, let's see what I have in my box. So I was like, oh, okay. Ooh, I like this. What? I got my hand sanitizer. Like, what? And my mom made sure that it doesn't have that stuff that everybody's saying be careful with hand sanitizer because there's stuff in it that is not good. So yeah, that's a big thing of hand sanitizer. And it tells right there. So anyways, this thing, hello, digger, is $12 for the full size. But this is a good size for a sample. And in that, let's see who did that. Okay, so I already opened this because I wanted to see what it looked like. It was really cool how it opens. Anyways, this is a highlighter. It's Beauty Crop Glow Milk Pearl Pleasure? Pressure? Anyways, the full size is $19.50, so it comes in this very cool and it's cruelty free, a little smelly, and so you pop it up, do this, and then you shake it out. There, shake it out. Oh, now you're not gonna come out. You feel better, dude. Oh no, that's this guy. Sorry, I was watching them outside, and when the construction guys got really mad and walked off. So I'm like, okay. So it comes in here, and it's a little drop doodad. But that's a pretty color. That's so my skin tone. Like, that is so gonna blend. But I'm gonna try this one. This was nice because I can control it and So yeah, I'm gonna work on trying that out. Then, so my sample that I want to get, I custom and pick a sample that I want to try. It was funny because it came. I wanted the hand cream. So this is the hand cream. I got my hand sanitizer. So I got my hand sanitizer and hand cream. I'm all set. And I'm gonna use this during like the fall time. Then I can put it in my bag, and then it won't explode in the heat. So these two things I'm gonna put in my bag during the fall and winter. Anyways, this look guy is full size is $24. Um, so yeah. And then the last thing I got is Arrow Cooling Cheek Tint in Berry Pink. Full size is 18. It's just this little guy here. And I'll show you what it looks like. So that's the color. That's the berry pink. Very pretty. So that's what it looks like. Try to not make it look like something else. So that's a pretty color. Now I don't. Clean it. Oh, that was sad. Ugh, I need to get wipes. Anyways, so yeah. Anything else? One, two, three, four, 5, 6. Oh, I have 6 items. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, I hope you guys like what I got for my Birchbox. I really like what I got. And it's just so shocking that I have hand sanitizer. Like, okay, cool. Anyways, yeah, love you guys. Be safe. Have a nice, cool summer. Yeah, I don't know why I add that in. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye.